Good morning. Hope you're doing good. Hope you like my mixed up Monday outfit. Gabe even looked at me this morning and said, "Mommy, what's that?" I said, it's my outfit for mixed up Monday. So anyway, all right. So let's do some equations review. That's what your stuff is this week. Before you get started, I hope that you have jumped on or are going to jump on our math Zoom meeting at 10:30. Try to get on there about 10:20 so we can get started right at 10:30 and do a little lesson. I think that's all for today. Don't forget, send me a picture of your mixed up Monday outfit. Y'all, I'm literally wearing gym shorts and one of my husband's shirts and just random stuff. So why not be silly? I mean, what else are we going to do, right? So let's review equations. So y'all know, we've talked about this before, we're going to do a little algebra tile activity during our Zoom meeting, but let's review some of these, how to do these equations, without algebra tiles. So -5 times 6x minus 3 equals -45. Before we do anything else, we need to get rid of this parentheses, right? So that's distributive property. So we're going to draw our box. There's two terms here. There's one here and one here. Don't forget, whatever sign is in front of the number goes with it. So I've got -3, 6x, -5 goes out front. You guys remember this, right? So I multiply here. I'm going to put a little multiplication. -5 times +6. The signs are different, so my answer is -30x. -5 times -3. My signs are the same, so the answer is +15. Okay, I'm going to rewrite it. -30x plus 15. I forgot my 0. 15 equals -45. We'll get a different color now. All right. So first step when we solve an equation, when it's written out like it's supposed to be, draw your line. Daggone it. Let me get a marker that works. Draw your line. Circle the term with the variable, right? Okay. Get rid of the extra. -15, -15. This goes away. Bring this down. All right. A negative minus a negative. We have to be really careful here because remember, if we're doing negative numbers, when you're subtracting, you keep, change, flip, or add the opposite, right? Plus negative. So now I've got same sign. Now I'm going to add -45 and -15, and I get -60. All right. Now, this operation, a number and a letter beside each other, is multiplying, so we need to divide. -30 divided by -30. X is negative divided by negative. My answer is going to be positive. 60 divided by 30. My answer is 2. Now, I can plug this back in. If I had the time, I'm not going to do it because we don't have enough time, but I'm going to take this 2 and plug it in here for X. And then I'm going to see if it equals -45. If it does, I know my answer is right. Y'all, I'm telling you, if you have a problem that has an equation and you get an answer, you can check it before you ever turn it in. So Friday, when you do your assessment, check your answer before you turn the stuff in, because if I don't have the same answer on both sides, then I know something's wrong. Maybe I did my negative adding, subtracting wrong. Maybe I did something else wrong. So just make sure that you check it before you turn it in. All right. Okay. So I got one more problem. I got x over -4 plus 6 equals 3. First things first. Draw your line. Circle the term with the variable, right? All right, now I need to get rid of this extra, so I'm going to take away, because this is adding, 3 minus 6. I'm going to write it out this way. 3 plus negative 6. Okay? So now I have different signs. Different signs subtract the numbers. So I've got 3. Sign of the bigger number is 6, so it's negative. This goes away. This comes down. All right. Now, this is where a lot of people get confused. X over negative 4 is X divided by negative 4, right? So if I'm dividing by negative 4, I want to do the opposite of this. I would like to multiply by negative 4. Remember, if I multiply by the opposite, they cancel out, so I'm left with just X, okay? So I'm going to multiply by negative 4. Don't forget that negative is with the 4, so you have to multiply by negative 4. So negative 3 times negative 4, my answer is positive because they're the same sign. 3 times 4 is 12. So if I were to plug it in, I'll plug this one in just because. 12 divided by negative 4 plus 6. So let's see what we get. Positive and a negative. Whoops, sorry. 12 divided by negative 4, that's negative 3 plus 6 is equal to 3. Well, that matches, so I know we're right. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put one more problem up here, and this is a challenge problem for you guys. So when I have this video on my homepage, you can either email me. Sorry, I'm having to move you. You can email me, or you can add it to Canvas on the announcements. You can make a comment on Canvas under the announcements. However you want to communicate it to me, I don't care. Send me a picture. This is your challenge problem, okay? It's really not that difficult, but it just makes me see if you get this or not, okay? So you have to figure out what X is for this problem, all right? So I'm going to give you like 10 seconds to write it down, and then we're going to end it for today. All right. So I love you. I hope you have a great day. Make sure you watch this video. Try the challenge problem if you want to. You don't have to. Don't forget, send me a picture of your Mixed Up Monday outfit, and make sure you get your assignments done. And look out, I'm going to put my shout out up for my people that did IXL last week. So work on that too. I love you. I hope you have a great day.